For those at home, I'm Mike Murphy in External Communications here at MITRE. Joined today with Greg Shemancik, and maybe for the folks at home, let us know a little bit about your day job at the company. What do you do?
Yeah, happy to do it. So I am Senior Healthcare Analyst within MITRE's Open Health Services Department. I'm also the Deputy Lead for the CodeX FHIR Accelerator.
Looking at the acronyms, maybe give us a sense of kind of mCODE at its foundation, and then maybe CodeX and how the two work together.
Sure, yeah, happy to. So mCODE stands for Minimal Common Oncology Data Elements, and it's a standardized set of 73 elements that have been tried and tested through Health Level 7, which is an international standards organization. And so it's a publicly released set of 73 elements. It's a data standard. And so it's sort of speaking the same language, all based around this same vernacular. So that's the first component. And then playing off of that, as a minimal standard, you have additional needs that need to be met, not just the minimal set, but it's critical to start with just the minimal set. Extending beyond that and additional elements, additional capabilities, you need a community to support that. And so that's where CodeX comes in. CodeX being the community to support the extension of elements, the extension of use cases, and the extension of capabilities. And that's a self-sustaining, self-supporting community to be able to do that. There's so many different stakeholders in healthcare. This gives them all the opportunity to get involved and move towards data interoperability.
Tell us about the importance of collaboration in an endeavor that could be so big and could be so changing to the industry.
Yeah, I mean, we really emphasize that we can't just develop this standard in a vacuum. I mean, it has to be community driven. If we develop a standard and no one adopts it, then it's sort of like a tree falling in a forest. It just doesn't. You just don't know. It just doesn't really function. And so you need to rely on the community to be able to provide their unique insights, their unique needs, and being able to have the support from the community to further develop that standard, and not just developing it, but ultimately testing it, making sure it works in the wild.
Now, I understand you're rolling out this community of practice. I'm curious kind of how you foresee this community of practice in 2 years or 5 years, and what does that vision look like?
Mm-hmm. So the community practice is the low burden way to really get involved, to be engaged on CodeX and to be engaged on mCODE. The COP is a monthly call to get informed, but it's more than that. It's really an open forum to be able to have, especially health systems, resource-strapped that really need to get involved in this and see the potential to get involved and basically be able to swap stories on how mCODE's working for them, and to also support other health systems that are adopting mCODE. Giving firsthand accounts of, well, this works versus that. I'm this system or that system. And so over the years, we're just starting the COP. That's one of the newest additions. But as a way to fundamentally support mCODE, I think that's going to have tremendous value to the community.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.